Okay, so now we're preparing for the adjuster to show up, and it's showtime, man. That's the best part of this. You want to be confident, be cordial. These guys need to be your best friend. This is the most important step of the insurance process, and building these relationships is probably, don't underestimate the value of a good relationship with an insurance adjuster. You're going to see these guys over and over. That's the goal. And when you see these guys, familiarity breeds comfort. So when these guys see you and you see them, same guy over, you see the truck pull up, you recognize, it's a good thing. We're all comfortable together, and it's already a kind of a given that it's going to be a good claim. Then go up on the roof with the adjuster, offer assistance. If the adjuster wants it, by all means, help any way you can. Probably half the times I'm with an adjuster, they'll hand me the chalk and say, hey, why don't you start on that slope and I'll meet you over here. And that's just a great thing. So do whatever they ask. If they want you to stay out of the way, stay out of the way. If they want your help, and help them any way you can. This is your showtime, man. Be confident. You've been on this roof, you've seen the damage. You're in a neighborhood. I'm in a neighborhood now that I've done 7 insurance claims in the last month. 6 of the 7 have been approved. I've got 4 more pending. So these are some tips I think are very helpful when working with insurance adjusters. Man, do your best. Be friendly. Be excited. Be confident. That kind of stuff shows when you're with an adjuster. It brings out the best in people. You guys, this is Sean Bennett with XLR8 Roofing. Have fun today. Be kind.